2011 Subaru Legacy non-turbo. What we got done on this thing. Factory converter there under these heat shields. Secondary converter there. Then what we did is ran 2 1/4 pipe into a Magnaflow Magnapack in the middle. Then ran new pipe 2 1/4 all the way out. Then it wires out on each side. There and there. There's the Magnapack, by the way, guys. Here's the part number on the Magnapack, 10416. There'll be a link in the description. Custom white pipe out the back on each side. We make these in-house, guys, by the way, if you guys wondered. And then 2 tailpipes, 2 1/4 out the back on each side into 3.5 inch blue flame tips there. And right there to finish off the look of the Subaru Legacy all-wheel drive. And this is where the resonator was. That's where we put the Magnaflow Magnapack. And then there's where the muffler was. We took that off right there and replaced it, as you guys can see. That's the factory exhaust that was on it. Looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. They came single, the Legacies, and we made it back into dual. I think it looks a lot better with the dual setup than the single. Round 2. We fixed the heat shields. Oh, yeah. That sounds so good. Magnaflow Magnapack mid. Rear delete. Duals. Your sound decibels. Again. Right at 110. Back it up. Subaru Legacy 4-door. Yeah, that sounds good. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. It's raining. Raining. It's raining. It's really raining. And it's constructing. They're still doing construction. Oh yeah. That sounds so good. Enjoy, guys.